Picture this: vast open landscapes where wild horses roam free, where golden eagles soar high above rocky cliffs, and where elusive Iberian lynxes stalk through the underbrush. It's a land of ancient beauty, but also a land that nearly lost its wild soul. Today, we take you on a journey through the Iberian Highlands, a forgotten wilderness that's making an extraordinary comeback. This is rewilding like you've never seen before. Once, this land was home to rich and thriving ecosystems. Then came deforestation, overhunting, and human expansion. Wolves were driven out, wild horses disappeared, and apex predators were silenced. But now something incredible is happening. The land is healing, and the wild ones are returning. Will Spain's lost wilderness rise again? Or is it too late? Let's find out. The Iberian Highlands, covering parts of central and northern Spain, were once teeming with life. But centuries of agriculture and urbanization took their toll. Many species vanished, and as human populations moved to the cities, the land was left to wither. What was once a vibrant ecosystem became a ghost of its former self. But sometimes, nature just needs a little help. Rewilding isn't about taming the land, it's about stepping back and letting nature take the lead. Instead of controlling every aspect of the environment, conservationists focus on restoring balance. And in the Iberian Highlands, that means bringing back the keystone species that once shaped this landscape. From top predators to ecosystem engineers, these creatures are the key to bringing Spain's wilderness back to life. The Iberian lynx was once declared the world's most endangered feline. With fewer than 100 left in the wild at one point, extinction seemed inevitable. But today, that number has skyrocketed past 1,300. Thanks to habitat restoration and reintroduction efforts, these feline assassins are reclaiming their domain. Wolves once roamed freely across Spain, but by the mid-20th century, relentless persecution wiped them out from most regions. Now, protected by conservation laws, these legendary predators are making a slow but steady comeback. And while their return is met with mixed feelings, one thing is clear: wolves are vital to keeping ecosystems balanced. But rewilding isn't just about predators. Enter the wild horses of Spain. These resilient grazers play a surprising role, acting as nature's own firefighters. By eating dry vegetation, they reduce the risk of massive wildfires, which have become a growing threat in southern Europe. They may not be pretty, but vultures are the ultimate recyclers. These scavengers prevent the spread of disease and keep ecosystems healthy. Thanks to conservation efforts, they're thriving once again in the Iberian Highlands. Of course, rewilding isn't without its challenges. With the return of wolves and lynxes, farmers worry about livestock losses. Conservationists are working closely with local communities to find solutions, such as guardian dogs and compensation programs to ensure that both people and wildlife can coexist. And there's another unexpected benefit: ecotourism. Wildlife enthusiasts from around the world are flocking to Spain, bringing a much-needed economic boost to rural areas. When nature thrives, we all thrive. Healthy ecosystems mean cleaner air, better water retention, and a more resilient planet. And in the face of climate change, rewilding could be the key to preserving biodiversity for future generations. The Iberian Highlands are undergoing a transformation. What was once a land of decline is now a beacon of hope for conservationists worldwide. And the best part, this is just the beginning. The wild heart of Spain is beating once again, but rewilding doesn't happen overnight. It needs support. So what can you do? Spread the word, support conservation groups, and visit rewilding sites. Every small action brings us closer to a wilder, healthier planet. Like, subscribe, and comment. What animal do you think should be reintroduced next?